Today we are making sukiyaki. Chop up for shirataki mushrooms. Chop chop. Slice your spring onion. Both the white and green. Cut the shungiku into thirds. Cut off the bottom and separate the enoki mushrooms. Chop the shirataki in half. And chop up for wombok leaves. Time to prepare the sauce. Chuck in 100 grams of sugar and 100 ml of soy sauce. Calorie mixed mix. Boil off 120 ml sake and into the bowl. Time to fry off the tofu. We want a nice char. Oops, maybe a little longer on this side. Next to gently kiss the pork with some heat. Get it halfway brown and set aside. Fry off those shirataki mushrooms once they go a little soft. Nearly add the enoki mushrooms wombok. Tofu, spring onions and shirataki, and half of your sauce. Simmer for 4 minutes. Now add the shungiku and the meat and a meat juice umami punch. Add the rest of your sauce. Cover and simmer for 2 more minutes and ta-da! Time to eat. Mix up a raw egg and dip. This is the way a lot of Japanese people eat sukiyaki. Itadakimasu. Oh, such soft and tender pork. You have to be careful to not overcook the meat. Yum! Hope you enjoyed. Till next time.